Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I want to show you a beautiful EZ Scape garden. This is a garden where you can take maybe 4 or 5 different plants and create color throughout the season. Plants that all grow well together, have the same water requirement, same sun requirement, and just pair beautifully together. Let's take a look. So it's August right now, so part of this EZ Scape bloomed earlier on in the season, which is what we would expect for this to do with what we're trying to create here. But EZ Scape garden, this is for late summer interest, this particular blooming garden. So what they have in here is the back and black sedum, which has a beautiful black foliage, and it gets red, like magenta red flowers once it starts blooming. They have it paired with the allium serendipity, and you can see all the pollinators just going crazy for that plant. Tucked in the back there is some fuchsia is bright. That is the coneflower or echinacea. Also in this pairing is some of the Stand By Me lavender. Now the Stand By Me lavender was blooming earlier on in the season, so that was a little bit more of your early season color. But what a great combination here of plants to create a very quick and easy garden using sedum, allium, coneflower, and clematis. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.